Blood flow is the lifeline of the body. Every organ, every cell, and every muscle depends on healthy circulation to receive oxygen and nutrients. When that circulation slows, it can affect how we move, how we heal, and even how we feel. One of the most common areas where poor circulation becomes noticeable is in the legs. Many people begin to feel their legs getting heavier, colder, or more easily fatigued as they age. Some may even notice swelling, tingling, or pain after sitting for long periods. These are signs that the blood is not flowing as efficiently as it should. The reason behind this can range from a sedentary lifestyle and poor diet to conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, or atherosclerosis. Over time, arteries may stiffen or narrow, reducing the amount of oxygen, rich blood reaching the muscles and tissues of the legs. The good news is that our bodies are remarkably adaptive. They possess the natural ability to grow new blood vessels, improve arterial function, and enhance circulation when given the right support. One of the most powerful ways to encourage this natural process is through the food we eat. Science now clearly shows that diet doesn't just affect weight or cholesterol, it directly influences how well our blood vessels function. What we put on our plate can determine whether our arteries stay open and flexible or become stiff and blocked. When we eat foods rich in certain plant-based compounds, antioxidants, and healthy fats, we trigger the release of molecules like nitric oxide in the bloodstream. Nitric oxide is a signaling compound that tells blood vessels to relax and widen, allowing blood to flow more freely. Think of it as a natural switch that turns on better circulation. On the other hand, eating too many processed foods, trans fats, and refined sugars can do the opposite. They damage the delicate lining of our blood vessels, known as the endothelium, and reduce its ability to produce nitric oxide. Over time, this leads to chronic inflammation, plaque buildup, and sluggish circulation. For people over 50 or 60, this becomes even more important. As we age, our arteries naturally lose some of their elasticity, and our body's ability to produce nitric oxide declines. But this isn't an irreversible process. Through smart food choices, it's possible to strengthen the endothelium, support the growth of tiny new capillaries, and keep blood flowing smoothly to the legs. The foods we choose can actually act like medicine, nourishing our circulation system, protecting our vessels from oxidative stress, and preventing the kind of damage that leads to clots or poor blood flow. It's important to understand that improving circulation is not just about avoiding disease, it's about enhancing daily vitality. Strong blood flow means more energy, better muscle function, faster recovery, and sharper mental focus. When the legs receive proper circulation, they carry you further and keep you more active. That means more walks, better balance, and greater independence as you age. So, instead of looking for quick fixes or relying solely on medication, one of the most effective and natural strategies is to eat foods that support the body's built-in healing and repair systems. The choices made in the kitchen can have a profound impact on how well the heart, arteries, and veins perform their vital roles every single day. When we talk about improving blood flow to the legs, the conversation always leads back to the foods that support vascular health at the deepest level. Some foods contain natural compounds that signal the body to repair and open up blood vessels, while others provide antioxidants that protect the arteries from damage. The first of these remarkable foods is blueberries. These small, vibrant berries are loaded with anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants responsible for their deep blue color. Anthocyanins help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the blood vessel walls. They work by enhancing nitric oxide levels, allowing arteries to relax and widen. Research has shown that eating blueberries daily can improve vascular function within weeks. Their benefits are cumulative, meaning the more consistently they are eaten, the more resilient the blood vessels become. Whether added to oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt, blueberries are a delicious way to strengthen the circulatory system. Garlic is another food that has been celebrated for centuries for its ability to improve blood flow. Modern science confirms what traditional medicine has known all along. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which helps increase nitric oxide production and reduce the stiffness of arteries. It also supports healthy cholesterol levels and prevents platelets from clumping together, reducing the risk of clot formation. Studies show that garlic supplementation can enhance blood vessel elasticity, helping them expand more easily and allowing blood to move smoothly through the body. Even small daily amounts can have significant effects. Adding crushed or fresh garlic to meals is a simple, natural way to give the circulatory system a boost. Tomatoes are another powerhouse when it comes to circulation. They are rich in lycopene, a carotenoid antioxidant that gives them their red color. Lycopene helps protect the arteries from oxidative stress and prevents the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, one of the main contributors to arterial plaque. When consumed regularly, tomatoes can help keep arteries clear and flexible. Interestingly, cooking tomatoes increases the bioavailability of lycopene, so tomato sauce, soup, or paste can be even more beneficial than raw tomatoes. Pairing them with healthy fats such as olive oil enhances absorption and amplifies their circulatory benefits. Avocados also play a vital role in promoting healthy blood flow. They are full of monounsaturated fats, potassium, and vitamin E, all essential nutrients for heart and vascular health. These nutrients work together to lower bad cholesterol, increase good cholesterol, and protect the inner lining of blood vessels from inflammation. The healthy fats in avocados improve the absorption of fat-soluble antioxidants from other foods, helping the body repair and maintain smooth blood flow. Eating half an avocado a day, whether sliced on toast or blended into a smoothie, can make a noticeable difference over time. Green tea deserves special mention as one of the simplest and most effective beverages for circulation. It is rich in catechins, plant compounds known to enhance the health of blood vessels and support fat metabolism. Catechins protect the endothelium and stimulate the dilation of arteries, improving oxygen delivery throughout the body. Regular consumption of green tea has been associated with lower blood pressure, improved cholesterol levels, and better vascular responsiveness. Just 1 or 2 cups a day can contribute to stronger, more flexible arteries and better leg circulation. Each of these foods provides a unique mechanism to support circulation, but their effects become more powerful when combined. By including them regularly in the diet, the body receives continuous signals to strengthen, repair, and open up its vascular network, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach every part of the body, especially the legs. When people think about improving circulation, they often imagine medication, supplements, or medical treatments, but one of the most powerful and sustainable ways to boost blood flow lies in everyday choices, particularly the food we eat. The body is designed with a remarkable ability to heal, adapt, and regenerate when given the right conditions. Blood vessels are not fixed pipes. They are living, dynamic tissues that respond to nutrition, lifestyle, and the signals we give them through our habits. When we consistently eat foods that support healthy circulation, we help our arteries remain flexible, prevent inflammation, and encourage the growth of new micro-vessels that deliver oxygen to every part of the body, including the legs. Eating for circulation is not about restriction or dieting, it's about nourishment. Foods like blueberries, garlic, tomatoes, avocados, and green tea work together to protect the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of blood vessels. This lining is the control center for vascular health. It regulates blood flow, prevents clotting, and maintains balance within the arteries. When the endothelium is damaged by poor diet, smoking, stress, or inactivity, the body loses its ability to regulate blood pressure and circulation properly. But when it's nourished by antioxidants, healthy fats, and plant-based compounds, it thrives, becoming more responsive and efficient. This means better oxygen delivery to the legs, reduced fatigue, and greater mobility over time. Improving circulation is also deeply connected to reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation silently erodes vascular health, narrowing arteries and making blood flow sluggish. Many of the foods that enhance circulation also act as natural anti-inflammatories. For instance, the anthocyanins in blueberries and the catechins in green tea help calm oxidative stress and inflammation at the cellular level. The unsaturated fats in avocados and the lycopene in tomatoes shield blood vessels from the damage caused by free radicals. By lowering inflammation, these foods prevent the slow deterioration of the circulatory system that often leads to serious conditions like peripheral artery disease or varicose veins. What makes this approach powerful is that it's cumulative. Small daily habits, a handful of berries in the morning, a salad with avocado at lunch, a cup of green tea in the afternoon, can transform circulation gradually but profoundly. Over time, these choices promote the development of healthy capillaries, increase arterial elasticity, and help the body distribute blood more evenly. It's not about quick fixes or dramatic detoxes, but about supporting the natural systems already at work inside us. The body has a built-in pharmacy, and the right foods help unlock it. Movement complements this process. Eating well creates the foundation for strong circulation, but physical activity activates it. Walking, stretching, or light exercise encourages blood to travel to the extremities, delivering nutrients from the circulation, boosting foods right where they're needed most. Together, nutrition and movement form a powerful partnership. By understanding that food can act as circulatory medicine, we begin to see every meal as an opportunity to restore and renew the body. The simple act of choosing natural, nutrient-rich foods becomes a way of improving energy, leg strength, and overall vitality. Each bite contributes to better blood flow, not just to the legs, but throughout the entire body, fueling life with every heartbeat.